Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather, this is Chandler, and this is Creating Chaos. Welcome! First of all, thank you all so much for watching and liking the last video. That patio makeover is my best performing video yet, which is really exciting. It will probably hit 1,000 views today, which I know isn't like big for YouTube, but for someone starting out and for me who is like a awkward introvert, that's a lot and I'm super excited, so thank you so much. You know, it didn't go viral, but it made a few people sick. Just jazzed about it. So today I'm going to be finishing up my little dining area. It's not in bad shape or anything, but the table legs don't match the chairs, so I'm going to do that today. Never tried to like match stains before, but I'm willing to try. So follow along for the process and hopefully I do a good job and this video doesn't suck. I'm going to reupholster the chairs too. I really like the stripes, but one of the chairs is just covered in paint and has a rip in it, so I think it's time to switch those out. And that was the intention when I bought the chairs, but I ended up liking the stripes more than I thought I would, so I kept it for a little while. It's just like a vinyl, so I don't feel bad about getting rid of it. I thought about like painting the chairs because it's like a cherry wood kind of color. As soon as I saw them against the pink wall, I changed my mind. I love the tone on tone, kind of like red and pink there together. I love it. I love it. I know it's not a popular wood, but I love it. So I'm gonna pop the legs off this table and give them a nice sand to start, and we'll take it from there. I will see you on the patio. Let's go. Are you freaking adorable? I'm using this coarse grit sanding block to strip away any varnish. Then I'm going in with a fine grit to make sure I get a smooth finish. I chose this red Sondana stain from Minwax to achieve the right color to match the chairs. It took a lot of coats. Don't forget to wear gloves for this step. I was not expecting this project to look so gory. I am waiting for probably the 4th coat of stain to dry on the legs, but I'm getting impatient, so I'm gonna start working on the chairs. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just pop this base off so I can get it reupholstered. So what's kind of cool is you can see that the last time this was upholstered was in July of 1999. Very cool. I feel very old now. I want to leave the vinyl that's already on there on it for two reasons. One, I might, if I ever need like just 2 chairs or something, and the other ones go into storage. I do love the stripes, so I want to have that option. I could just take off the other fabric. And also because this is waterproof and the fabric that I'm putting on top is not. So, you know, if something spills on it, it won't go through this layer into the cushioning. Thinking about what to do for fabric on these, and I decided to go with these IKEA cushion covers. I love all the colors in them. They really tie together my whole apartment with the yellows, the red, the pink, the blue. It's perfect. I'm just gonna cut these out of cushion formation. So I'm just gonna cut the sides off basically. Hi, Chandler. This does not have to be perfect. Chandler. Hi. Wants to be involved. Okay, I'm not being too careful around the edges because I know I have enough to cover the whole stool, and this part will probably end up getting cut off anyway because this is a square and this is a circle. If you didn't notice. Can you not? Hi. I'm gonna have to vacuum today. So I'm using these JT21 upholstery staples. I've never done this before. And now I have. I'm putting a few staples on all 4 sides, making sure I'm pulling the fabric tight, then securing the remaining fabric. This ensures the upholstery will be taut AF. Okay, it's the next morning. It got way too hot to keep filming, so I just called it a day. But look at how good these chairs look. Look at that. I love it. That's so good. And the chair legs took a lot of coats. But I'm on the 7th right now, and I think that is done. I only got about 6 on yesterday, so the 7th is just drying right now, and I'm just gonna walk Chandler. Do you want to go for a walk? Okay. He's choosing which tree is worthy of his pee. Spoiler alert, it's all of them. 30 minutes later, and we've made it halfway around the block. He is done and ready to go back inside for a treat and some breakfast. You wanna go get some treats? Dance! Lay down. A good boy. Then we had a quick patio play, 15 minutes of head scratches, and it was back to work. I screwed my newly upholstered seats back onto the chairs. God. I'm done. Oh, they look so good. I'm obsessed. I love it. How we did. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. Now that the legs were fully dry, I reassembled them, attached the tabletop, and it was time for some final touches. I added in this wooden fruit bowl to add a variation in wood tones. I found this dish with a built-in flower frog and these cute pug salt and pepper shakers at the thrift store. Last but not least, I styled the bar with some beautiful deep red chrysanthemums to tie it all together. This is what the dining room was looking like before. And this is what it looks like now. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed doing it. It definitely took a lot longer than it took for you to watch it. I'm so glad that these chairs finally have the fabric that they deserve on them. They are just so stunning, my dream chairs. They tie in all of the colors from around the apartment, the goldish yellow, the pink, the blue. They're just so perfect. The table legs, like, even though it took a full 7 coats, it was so worth it. Like, I love it. I'm exhausted, but yeah, it's the best. I'm very happy with my work this time. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for everyone who watched my last video, the patio makeover. I am so thrilled with how that is performing. Yeah, I have no words. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. If you liked this video, make sure that you like it below, and if you are new here and not yet subscribed, then, well, do it. Subscribe. Top news. Quality content. All right, thank you so much again. I will see you next time. Bye.